Hi everybody, it's Craig here. December 23, the 23rd day in our Arduino Advent Calendar series. It's almost Christmas Eve, which is the last one. I am going to do some more Arduino activities past this point, past the series of doing these Advent activities. I'm going to do some actual Arduino projects. I saw a fantastic video this morning on Vimeo where someone had made a Super Mario Brothers activity, like a game of Super Mario Brothers that was paper based, it's a big paper roll, and they'd used an Arduino hooked up to a servo to turn the paper, and then they had another servo that was hooked up to a little Mario character that you could operate with a button, and it jumped through a landscape, and it was really amazing. It was like this paper-based interactive Mario game. If you search on Vimeo for video game in a box, you'll find it. It was very, very, very cool. So I'll definitely keep doing Arduino activities later. But for the moment, we're going to be doing the 23rd activity, which is an infrared transmitter. Yeah, an infrared transmitter. So we've done a little bit with infrared previously, where we had our controller that we operated. But this is something different apparently, so I don't know any more than that. So I'll flip the camera around and we'll take a look. There are not many pieces left in the box. I do need to tidy up because I've got things everywhere here in the shed for my Arduino, but this is our bag for today, bag number 23. And let's open up bag 23, see what's inside. Looks like an LED. Looks like that RGB LED that we used a couple of weeks ago. All right, let's see what we do with this. So it says today we're going to use the infrared transmitter to play a prank by turning on and off a TV. Our TV doesn't really turn off, not because it's always on, but I don't think we know where the TV controller is anymore. We push the button on the TV and then go to Apple TV. Anyway, we will see. We'll see what we can do. Okay, insert your infrared transmitter into the breadboard so that the short leg is on the left-hand side and the anode, the long leg, is on the right-hand side. So cathode on the left and anode on the right. There we go, in. Okay, now we need a 220 ohm resistor in the breadboard. Red, red, black, black, brown. Let me see what I've got. What color is this? No, that's brown, black, red, black, black, brown. Okay, let's check this one. Red, red, black, black, brown. That's the one that we need. Okay, so where do we put that again? Oh, yes, just connected to the anode here and pop it along a bit there. Terrific. Connect Arduino ground to the cathode, can do. Yeah, let's try this one. Oops, sorry, bumping things. Okay, so this goes from the cathode. Having a bit of trouble today. There we go. And ground over here. Connect Arduino pin 3 to the resistor. Alright, let's see, just getting a cord. Alrighty. So this is the ground here. We're going to go to analog pin 3, just in there. Okay, neat. And now we need to install the IR remote library. have a feeling we've installed that already. Let's have a look. Alrighty, so let's have a look for IR remote. Oh, yeah, that's installed. Beautiful, I thought it was. Great. And now our code. This code will by default send a command to turn on and off a Sony television. Uncomment out your brand of television to make the code work for your TV. Okay. Upload the code to your Arduino and bring your Arduino close to your TV. You might want to use the battery connector. Yeah, all right, let's give it a go. I don't actually know how this is going to work at this stage. Well, let's read the code. IR send. So, okay, is this the code for Sony? This is what I've got to uncomment for my type of TV. Oh, okay, we've got here Samsung, NEC, Panasonic, LG. I don't know what we've got actually. I'll check when I go inside. A delay of 40 milliseconds and then delay 5,000. So 5-second delay between each signal burst. Does that mean it'll turn the TV on and off every 5 seconds? Seems like what it's going to do. So this here is going to send out an infrared signal that's going to turn on and off the TV every 5 seconds. Is that? I think I'm reading that right. Well, let's copy it in. We'll upload, and I guess I better take it inside to see what sort of TV we've got. Okay, that's done uploading. All right, let's go for a walk. Okay, I'm inside and I've got the TV in front of us there, and it's a Panasonic TV. So I'll jump into our code and take the Panasonic one there. Is this right? If I grab that and replace the Sony one. All right, let's push that out to the... Well, first, actually, shouldn't I? No, I'll try that. I'll push that out. Done uploading. And now, I think I'll turn on the TV. Yep, coming on. And I guess we'll see what the Arduino is going to do. I might need to take it a little closer. I mean, what's the serial monitor saying? Nothing on the monitor. Okay. Well, I don't know if I need to take the Arduino closer to the TV. Let me just change the camera so it can be like this. So if I take this over to the TV, is it going to turn it off? Do I need to do anything there? 5-second delay between each signal burst. So I've got Panasonic in there. I think this is where the signal would go. It's on HDMI 3 at the moment. It's just a black screen because nothing's turned on, but the TV is on. But we're not, doesn't seem like we're getting a signal through. Let's push it out once more to the Arduino to see if it's all there. I'm not seeing with this particular Panasonic TV. So this is the thing, isn't it? This is what's supposed to send out the signal. Let me just make sure I've got everything coded right there. So analog 3, get the ground hooked up, and that was all we really had to connect up. And the infrared is meant to do the rest. Let's go back through. Oh, hang on, run another jumper wire from pin 9. And yet here it says pin 3. Let me just try pin 9 just to see if that makes a difference. So pin 9 would be the digital, wouldn't it? Let me just try this. I'll try ground over here. And I'll try, it's saying 3 over here, isn't it? So the digital 3. But then it's also saying 9. And what if I do 9? I'm wondering if this needs to light up in some capacity. Does serial monitor give us any more info if it's plugged into there? No, not for this one. Well, I'll take it back over to the TV. I'll try digital pin 9 and digital pin 3. It's currently plugged into digital pin 9. And now I'll try digital pin 3. So there's an LED on here that just faded when I took out the cord there. Let's go back to 9 for a moment. So it's turned off now that's in 9. Now it's back on. I'm just going to count 5 seconds to see if it makes a difference. I'll just push out the code once more just to see if. Let's get back to 3 for a moment. Just push the code out again. It's definitely doing, the LED light is flashing. Maybe it's just not the right TV to do it with. That's all right. I wonder if I need to take these away. I'll just cut these from the code. I don't think so. I don't think that would have made a difference. That's all right. I'll leave it there. If I can think about another TV I can try it with, I'll have a think, but otherwise I get the idea, and it does seem like it would be a cool little thing to do. I might try this for another sort of infrared purpose rather than the TV, and see if that gives us an idea. All right, well, thank you for watching that. I know it probably wasn't maybe as exciting as most of the others because nothing much happened with my particular TV here, but the concept is cool, and it was a pretty easy hookup there, and the module sort of took most of the code loading. There wasn't a lot to that, but like I said, I might try and find another TV to see if the infrared signal works there, or another piece of tech to use that. So thanks for watching. One more day tomorrow. We'll see what's lined up for the last day, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you later.